Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. What if I told you the Nikon ZFR could be the most groundbreaking leap in camera technology this decade? The photography world is buzzing with anticipation, and for a good reason. Remember the first time you held a camera? The thrill of capturing a moment forever. The excitement of pressing the shutter button, knowing you were freezing a fleeting slice of time. This rumored camera might reignite that feeling in an entirely new way. For those who have watched camera, technology evolve from film to digital, from bulky DSLRs to sleek mirrorless bodies. The Nikon ZFR isn't just another upgrade. It could be a revolutionary shift. In this video, I'll dive deep into the cutting-edge 45-megapixel sensor, the mind-blowing video capabilities, and the next-gen autofocus system that could outshine even Sony's latest models. Plus, I'll reveal the anticipated price point and expected release date. If you love staying ahead of the curve in photography, make sure to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest camera updates and leaks. The powerhouse sensor, 45mm of unmatched detail. The Nikon ZFR is rumored to boast a 45-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. Remember when 15 megapixels felt groundbreaking? Now, we're talking about triple that resolution, enhanced by backside illumination technology that maximizes light capture like never before. Early leaked images suggest stunning detail retention, revealing intricate textures and subtle color gradations that were once impossible on consumer-level cameras. This means wildlife photographers can crop aggressively without sacrificing quality, making distant subjects feel within reach. Dynamic range is another game-changer here. The ZFR is expected to exceed 15 stops of dynamic range, ensuring stunning highlight and shadow detail in a single frame. Think about those sunset shots where you had to choose between silhouette effects or blown-out skies. Those compromises may become a thing of the past. This sensor could redefine low-light shooting, capturing breathtaking images with unparalleled depth and realism. Cinema-quality video performance. While photography purists might argue that cameras should focus on stills, the reality is that modern content creation demands hybrid functionality. The Nikon ZFR is rumored to offer 8K video at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, bringing cinematic production quality to a mirrorless camera. Imagine capturing family vacations, milestone events, and professional-grade projects with movie-like precision. Rolling shutter performance is also expected to be significantly improved, meaning fast-moving subjects, whether it's a sports event or wildlife photography, won't suffer from distortions common in other cameras. Low-light video performance has always been a struggle, but Nikon is rumored to have developed an improved X-Speed processor that minimizes noise while enhancing image clarity. Whether shooting indoors or at night, the ZFR could deliver exceptional results without the need for excessive post-processing. Autofocus. That redefines precision. Capturing moving subjects has been a challenge for decades, but the Nikon ZFR is rumored to feature a hybrid autofocus system with AI-driven subject detection. This advanced system could offer over 500 phase detection points, covering 95% of the frame, meaning you won't lose focus on fast-moving objects like birds in flight or kids running around. Early leaks suggest autofocus lock speeds of 0.02 seconds, which is faster than a human blink. This could be a game-changer for wildlife and sports photographers. Additionally, the autofocus system may include AI-assisted subject tracking, making it easier to capture unpredictable movements. Compared to Sony's latest autofocus models, the Nikon ZFR is rumored to provide superior tracking in low-light conditions, a significant advantage for professionals working in challenging environments. Lightning-fast burst shooting for action. Photographers' burst shooting is crucial. Imagine capturing 20 to 30 frames per second in electronic shutter mode. Those once-missed decisive moments could soon be captured effortlessly. Whether you're shooting motorsports, birds in flight, or split-second candid moments, the ZFR's burst capabilities could place it among the best in its class. Handheld night photography. A reality low-light photography has always required a tripod, but the Nikon ZFR might change that. With 7 to 8 stop in-body image stabilization, It could allow for handheld night photography without grainy results. This is a game changer for travel and landscape photographers who need flexibility in challenging lighting conditions. Design. A perfect balance of retro and modern Nikon is known for its durable yet ergonomic designs. The ZFR is rumored to blend a classic retro aesthetic with modern lightweight materials, making it both nostalgic and forward-thinking. It's also expected to feature an OLED electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating LCD touchscreen, eliminating the need to squint through tiny viewfinders like in the past. Connectivity and storage. In the digital age, quick file transfers and ample storage are crucial. The Nikon ZFR is rumored to support Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual card slots for CF Express and SD UHS 2 cards. These features ensure seamless workflow for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Who is the Nikon ZFR for? Travel photographers. A lightweight all-in-one solution for video and stills. Wildlife enthusiasts. Advanced autofocus and high-burst speeds make it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Content creators. 8K and 4K 120 FPS options provide stunning, cinematic quality. Professional photographers. As a potential alternative to flagship models, it offers versatility without compromise. How it stacks up against competitors. Compared to the Sony Alpha A7RV, the Nikon ZFR's autofocus could be 1/3 of a stop better in low light. When placed against the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, it's rumored to offer better rolling shutter performance for video, making it a strong choice for hybrid shooters. Expected price and release. Date early industry leaks suggest the Nikon ZFR will retail between $2,500 and $3,000, with lens bundles starting around $3,200. While that's a significant investment, it offers unparalleled features for the price. Cameras in this range once had limited capabilities, but now they're powerhouse tools that cater to both amateurs and professionals. According to industry insiders, the Nikon ZFR is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027. While that might seem far away, it suggests Nikon is meticulously perfecting the camera rather than rushing it to market. Final thoughts. The camera that evolves the photographer. The Nikon ZFR isn't just about upgrading specs, it's about removing creative barriers. When your gear becomes invisible, your creativity becomes unstoppable. That's the magic of this camera. Until next time, keep those shutters clicking, and never stop capturing the moments that matter.